My friend Kimberly is on her way over to go snorkeling with me, and she keeps her sailboat in Ko Olina Marina, which is just up at Barber's Point. So stoked to go adventure with a friend. She snorkels here all the time and knows all the good spots. So I'm excited to have someone join me that knows the area. Ahoy! How was the trip? This is Kimberly.
Hi.
Tell us what you do for a living. You're a professional drone pilot for one thing, right? But what do you primarily do for employment?
I do a variety of things, predominantly, I would say photography, from drone pilot work to underwater work, mainly working with wild animals.
Hell yeah. And you've worked all over the world, right?
I have, luckily. Yeah, it's been awesome.
Like where?
Hawaii to South Africa, Mozambique, Sri Lanka, I don't know, anywhere where there's whales and dolphins and awesome animals.
Awesome. And who are some of the people you've worked for that people would know about?
I've worked for some really rad organizations. Cascadia Research is a pretty popular one for whales and dolphins. I've had an opportunity to work with National Geographic for a short period. Some really neat organizations on the other side of the world in South Africa, like Simbi projects and Peri Peri diving. Yeah.
Awesome. Oh yeah. And what are we going to do today?
Today we're going to go explore Electric Beach and see if we can find some awesome critters to photograph and film.
And this is your stomping ground, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah, this is where I cruise my little dinghy out from my sailboat home and charge and see what kind of adventures I can get into.
And what sailboat do you have?
I have a little 24-foot Viking 61. She's an old-timer, a little tiny home.
Oh yeah. Awesome. So we're stoked. We're gonna get in the water now, and let's go see what's down there.
Ew. the hell did we see?
So we had a great time snorkeling. Checked out the sea caves. Saw a little turtle over there. She was like right up in the whitewash.
Yeah, crazy.
And then what all did we see out by the pipes? We saw
those Sergeant Major you
Sergeant
saw.
Majors.
I stole that from you.
Moorish idols.
Moorish idol. That big. We saw a giant unicorn fish.
Very big.
Yeah.
And large schools of, what did you say that you
I thought
there?
they were like blue striped jacks. Ooh, yellow and with blue stripes.
Yeah, a lot of them. There were
yeah.
so many.
So beautiful.
And
so beautiful.
yeah, it was amazing. And super stoked. If you ever come to Oahu, that's the spot. It's kind of a far swim from the beach, but definitely worth it. Get out there and see it.
Yeah.
I'm glad we saw the caves. It wasn't, the viz was kind of gnarl over there a little bit. Viz today out was way better than my viz yesterday.
Oh, was it?
Twice as good. Yeah, but we didn't see any sharks today.
That one cave you swam into, that was kind of scary but awesome at the same time.
Yeah, I've swam in sketchier caves than that one, but yeah. The tricky with caves is like not getting knocked out if the surge comes in.
That makes sense.
But yeah, thanks for coming.
Yeah, thank you
with
for
me.
coming.
Yeah,
That was awesome. That was so awesome. But
we got it done here at Electric Beach, and now it's time to nap.
Nap time.
If you'd like to keep track of Kimberly Wood's adventures in real time, make sure you head over to her Instagram account and give her a follow. Also, check out her website, saltybutterfly.com. You can find all of Kimberly's links in the description of this video.